Hello children, in this video let's see how to draw handbag. First let us draw the handbag. This is a cute handbag. You can also try this along with me children. Let's give a heart design. Now I am drawing 2 earrings. Now I am going to draw a heels. This is a shoe which has a heels. Now I'm going to use this marker to make it more visible. I'm going to use these colors and color them. This is dark green color. Let's color the heart with red color. Light blue color. This is orange color. We are going to color the handbag with rainbow colors. First color is orange color. Next color is yellow color. The next color is light green color. Now let's color the earrings. This is yellow color. Dark pink color. Light blue color. Pink color for the shoe. Brown color for the heels and yellow color for the inner layer of the shoes. Great! The handbag and the other items are ready. Hope you all like the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.